Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. This is an 843 Bobcat skid steer loader. Local trade-in, just $32.53 on the hours. This is a large frame machine. If you got some big projects, this one will take care of them. Lots of power. We got a 54 horse Perkins 4-cylinder diesel engine, nice running machine, 1,700 rated operating capacity. This radius lift machine will get the job done. We've got a 6480 rated, operating weight. We've got auxiliary hydraulics. Those auxiliaries will pump out 16.1 gallon per minute. Big 12-16.5 rubber. They are in good condition, very serviceable. We've got an open ROPS package. You know, I don't see any welds, nice tight bushings. Machine looks in great condition. There's a shot of our Perkins diesel. Nice dry machine. It's been serviced. It is possible to lock the rear gate, which is a nice feature. Again, liquid cooled. Tipping load on this one is 3420. It's a big machine for big jobs. The plate on the front, nice and tight. We've got the Bobcat system. We've got the standard Bobcat controls. Machine starts great. Just give you a shot of those hours. Full instrumentation. Great machine. Give us a call today. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give me a call on my cell, 715-781-3940 on this 843 Bobcat skid steer loader. You know, we'll outfit this with a 68-inch bucket. You'll be in great shape to move some dirt or move whatever you need to. Again, 119.6 inches to the hinge pin, so it is a high lift machine. Open ROPS, well taken care of. It's got the quick attach. Give me a call, Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Our number again, 715-781-3940. Thank you.